This is probably my favorite type of video to film. Unboxings, I think they're so fun. So let's just get right into it. So my old iPad broke and it wasn't able to turn on, and I thought that I should probably get a new one for school, for reading, just for all of these different things that I felt like I really needed a new iPad for. So let's see. It's always so satisfying. Okay, I got the 128 gigabyte iPad Air 11 inch, and it is the M4. Look how pretty it is. This is always scary, making sure you don't drop it once you open it. Let's see. Oh, and it's so thin too. Wow. Ready? The aesthetic part, satisfying. Oh, and it goes around too. Wow. It's so thin. Oh, this is so cool. And it has the new USB-C charging port also. Okay, so the camera is on the side this time, which I feel like it's so interesting. Like, do you turn it sideways to take your picture? Oh, how is it already at 95%? Swipe to open. Hello. English. This is so fun. Okay, so I got this in the Starlight color. I felt like it would go with most cases if I ever wanted to change my style. So I didn't want to pick the blue or any of the other colors just in case. Okay, while this is setting up, let's see what else is in the box. Wait, this one actually comes with the charging port? Why has Apple gotten rid of all of these? Like, are they just expensive to manufacture? And a charging cable. Oh, this one's cute. It has the same texture as my MacBook charger. I know it's different for the phone chargers, but there's this USB-C to USB-C. Did they give stickers this time? No stickers? Oh. So that is the Apple iPad Air M4, the iPad Air M4. I'm going to open the Apple Pencil Pro and then set this up. Let's see. So since my other iPad was dysfunctional, I thought that I should probably get a new Apple Pencil too, especially since this sticks on to the side and is connected. My old one was also used, so this one's brand new. Let's see. Ooh. And I know it has a different shape to it. Pencil Pro. Oh, and it's so satisfying to feel too. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my unboxing. I'll see you next time. Bye!